warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, Shalom, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Komang Astuti Dewi, NPM 2241171 from class management 22B. In this video, I will explain the material basis for organizational change. Understanding. Organizational change is the process by which an organization moves from its current state to a different future state to increase effectiveness and adaptability to a changing environment. These changes can include aspects of the organization, structure, technology, process, culture, strategy, and management. Causes of organizational change. Change in organization can be driven by two main factors. Number one, internal factor, change in organizational goals, number of personnel, declining moral change in structure, and the need to increase internal efficiency. External factor, environmental change such as government, regulation, economic condition, technological development, and competitor action. The purpose and importance of change. The main purpose of organizational change is to improve the organization's ability to adapt to environmental change, improve the behavior of organizational members, and increase the value and outcome desired by stakeholders. Organizations that do not make change are at risk of decline because they are unable to adapt to environmental dynamics. Organizational change process. Organizational change typically involves several basic steps such as number one, identifying the need for change, recognizing a problem, opportunity that requires change. Number two, planning for change, determining the goals, strategy, and step for change. Number three, implementing change, carrying out the change plan in the organization. Number four, evaluating and controlling, monitoring the results of the change and making adjustments as needed. Organizational change strategy. Number one, empirical rational strategy. This strategy emphasizes logic and data. Organizational members are convinced to accept change by showing the rational benefit and advantage that will be obtained. Education and transparent communication are the key to the success of this strategy. especially if the change is related to new technology or system that have clear benefit. Number 2, normative reeducative strategy. Focus on changing value, norm, and work culture. This process takes time because it involves change in the behavior and belief or organizational member. This strategy is suitable for long-term change related to aspect or organizational culture such as change in work patterns or core company value. Number 3, power cohesive strategy. Relying on authority or power to implement change, usually used in the emergency or crisis situation, although effective in certain conditions. This strategy is at risk of causing resistance if not managed wisely. Number 4, environmental adaptive strategy. Creating an environment that supports change so that organizational members are encouraged to adapt naturally. This strategy is effective for transformational change that require time and major restructuring, such as digital transformation. Number 5, participatory strategy, involving all members of the organization in the change process from planning to implementation. Employee involvement can minimize resistance and increase ownership of change. Stage of change management. Number 1, unfreeze or prepare for change. Analyze the need for change, build a support team, and design the strategy and research need at this stage. It is important to create a sense of urgency so that all members of the organization are ready to accept the change. Number 2, change or manage change. Implement the change plan, ensure clear communication, provide training, and monitor and evaluate the change process periodically. Number 3, refresh and institutional change. Make the change part of the organizational culture through consistency, evaluation, and appreciation for successful change. This stage ensures that the change made can be sustained in the long term. Key factor for successful organizational change. Number 1, adaptive leadership. Leader must be able to make quick discussion, inspire and motivate members of the organization to support change. Number 2, Transparent communication, conveying the vision, goals, and change process clearly to reduce uncertainty and build trust. Number 3, air training and development, providing relevant training so that members of the organization are ready to face new challenges, especially in the digital era. Number 4, consistency and monitoring. The change process must be carried out consistently and integrated with the organization performance appraisal system. Number 5, building a culture of innovation. Encourage creativity, experimentation, and appreciation for new ideas so that change can be run sustainably. Number 2, Kotter's model. 8 steps to change. This model is best suited for large scale change and consists of 8 system steps. Number 1, create a sense of urgency for change. Number 2, form a guiding coalition for change. Number 3, create a clear vision and strategy for change. Number 4, communicate the vision effectively throughout the organization. Number 5, empower members to act and overcome obstacles. Number 6, achieve short-term win to maintain motivation. Number 7, sustain momentum for change. Number 8, institutionalize the change into the culture of the organization. Type of organizational change. Number 1, structural change. Changes the organizational structure, such as hierarchy, division of tasks, or organizational design. Number 2, technological change. Adopting of updating technology to improve efficiency and productivity. Number 3, process change. Improving or updating business process to improve efficiency and quality of service or product. Number 4, cultural change. Changes value, norm, and work behavior within organization. Number 5, strategic change. Change the direction or focus of an organization strategy, such as entering a new market or changing the business model. Number 6, physical change. Changing the layout of the organization, workplace, or physical facilities. Number 7, change in people. Change the attitude, skill, or behavior or member of the organization through training or development.